How to log in Comlins Dispatch Console. Please open the website of Comlins Dispatch Console, download the PC version to operate, or log into the web version to view it directly. Open Dispatch Console after installation, choose your region. Then log in with account name and password. Please note that the account name in the form of email address. Enter the home page, set up the general dispatcher as prompted. How to create group and make group call. In the group list, create group and fill out the name, then save. Then you can manage the group member, such as moving in or out group members. Also, you can move, delete, modify groups in the group list. Click Connection, it will enter the group. Then make group call. Click Mic for voice, click again to end voice. How to edit user, make single call or temporary call. Click the contact list, select a user to set up. In the settings list, you can edit the name, set the priority level, GPS, dispatcher, and reporting frequency. Select a user, click PTT button to make single call. On the right will display the current call status, such as answered, reject, or waiting to answer. Close the window to end the call. Also, it supports you to select multiple users to make temporary call. How to view user's position. If the user's location permission is not turned on, please turn it on in advance. Go to GPS positioning page. You can view real-time position, dynamic trajectory, and track playback after selecting one or more users. Clicking on the user's location will display specific information, such as account number, name, address. The dynamic trajectory consists of multiple points, which will be marked with numbers. Regarding the track playback function, you can view the location track information within the time period after selecting the date. It will display as a green line. How to use broadcast. Create a broadcast, fill in the content, and select the user you want to send the broadcast to. After sending, click on the right to view the list of users who have not confirmed or confirmed the information. How to classify users. On the user category list, add organization, fill in the name to save, and then manage members. How to confirm SOS and view record. When receiving user's SOS, click OK to enter the communication status directly. View the SOS record, click on GPS on the right, and the information and address of the helper will be displayed on the map. Click to end the rescue. How to view the audio records. Enter the record list. You can query the audio record according to the date and groups. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. sales@tid-china.com